In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and create new company in QuickBooks Enterprise. We'll start by protecting your data with a backup, then safely remove the old company file, and finally create a fresh company so you can get back to work with a clean slate. First, open QuickBooks Enterprise and create a local backup. Go to File, then Backup Company, and choose Create Local Backup. Select Local Backup, click Next, pick a folder you trust on your computer, and save the backup. Give it a clear name and note where you put it so you can find it later. Let the process complete before moving on. This safety net allows you to restore your previous company if anything changes or you need old data. The backup file will typically have a .qbb extension, which is separate from your working company file. Next, close QuickBooks Enterprise completely. Make sure no company file is open, then exit the application. Closing the program ensures there are no file locks or background processes that could interfere with removing the old file. Now delete the old company file if you're sure you no longer need it. This file is usually a .qbw. Open File Explorer, browse to the folder where the company file lives, right-click the .qbw file and choose Delete. To permanently remove it, empty your recycle bin. If you prefer a safer approach, move the old company file into a clearly labeled backup folder instead of deleting it outright. That way, it's out of your active workflow but still accessible if needed. Reopen QuickBooks Enterprise. From the No Company Open window, click Create a New Company. This launches the setup workflow for your fresh file. Choose how you want to set up. Express Start for a quick configuration, or Detailed Start if you want more control. Enter your company name, your industry or business type, your business contact information, and your start date or fiscal year. Pick your accounting method, cash or accrual. If you're unsure, confirm with your accountant so reports reflect your operations correctly. Click Create Company File. QuickBooks will generate a new .qbw file and load a default chart of accounts tailored to your industry. With the file created, set up your new company. Add your products and services, including any inventory items you plan to track. Enter customers and vendors so you can invoice and pay bills accurately. Connect your bank